Members of the community call for justice after a housekeeper was shot and killed on the front porch of a Whitestown home.
This is a story we have been following for you. They want charges filed against the person inside that home who pulled the trigger. CBS 4's Russ McQuaid reveals what the Boone County prosecutor told the housekeeper's family about the gun laws here in Indiana, and he joins us live this evening. Hey, Russ.
Hey there, Prosecutor Kent Eastwood says this is, quote, heartbreaking for all those involved, but none more so than the friends and family of Maria Florinda Rios Perez de Vasquez, who was killed a week ago. In any language, this was a call for justice on the steps of the Boone County Prosecutor's Office after Maria Rios was apparently shot to death last Wednesday morning when she arrived at what she thought was the correct address in a Whitestown neighborhood for a housekeeping assignment. There was a shot fired through a closed front door, and Maria was fatally wounded.
This should not happen to anyone. As he states, this is something happening to Latinos today, but this could happen to anyone for making a simple mistake or arriving at the wrong location. And this could happen to any American as well.
As friends and family members demonstrated outside, Prosecutor Kent Eastwood and his staff met inside their offices with the family's attorney.
Essentially, today's meeting was about the prosecutor explaining that process to us, explaining what appear to be mounds of evidence that they have to go through, which is going to take time.
Maria's family was told Indiana's gun laws will be applied to determine whether criminal charges will be filed.
He did explain the stand your ground law in Indiana is very complicated. There's a tremendous amount of case law surrounding it and the factual circumstances around what happened that day, and the homeowner in particular, or the shooter, excuse me, the shooter in particular, what his subjective state of mind was, or her subjective state of mind was at the time of the shooting.
The family's attorney said Maria's husband was part of the talks with the prosecutor.
He looked at Mauricio in the eye and he told him that race has nothing to do with this. Race has nothing to do with his evaluation of the case or what happened. Like I said, it's a matter of public safety.
The attorney says that he thinks it'll take the prosecutor perhaps another week to make that charging decision while the family weighs its options to sue the homeowner in civil court. Another rally in support of the housekeeper is expected to begin here about 20 minutes at the Boone County offices of the county prosecutor. In Lebanon, Russ McQuaid, CBS 4 News.
Thanks for your live coverage out there, Russ.